Wow, fly. What happened to this dragonfly? I don't know why it's in here. Oh, so pity. Oh, come on, dragonfly. What? You wanna get out? Alright. Oh, oh, come on. Wow, you miss your family. Alright, here we go. Ouch. I don't bite. I'm helping you. I wanna help you. Hey, shh. Shh. Alright. It's alright. It's gonna be alright. Right, we'll check. Switch the light. Okay, switch the light. We'll check. How is it? Oh, ouch. Oh, don't bite my palm. Yep. Don't worry, dragonfly. I'll bring you outside, huh? I'll bring you outside and then you are now free again. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Ouch! Don't bite my palm. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's dead? Oh no, cannot be. Here we go. Hey, wake up. Yeah. Wow, you're free now. Bye. Thank you for watching.